let's say we have the limit as x approaches 3 of 4x minus 7 equals 5, and we want to figure out how close does x have to be to 3 for 4x minus 7 to be within 0.01 units of 5. This is the type of problem that you may run into in a manufacturing industry. So first we'll rewrite the problem. We have the limit as x approaches 3 of 4x minus 7, and we know that that equals 5. But what we want to figure out is how close does x have to be to 3 for this to be within 0.01 units of 5. So we'll move our 5 to the left. So we'll have limit as x approaches 3 of 4x minus 7 minus 5. And we want that to be within 0.01 units. So we'll say less than 0.01. And once you understand that, that's half the problem. The rest of it is just solving from there. So we can rewrite this again. Gonna leave the limit stuff off. We'll just say 4x minus 7. Actually, let me write that in the middle. It'll be easier for me to do this in the middle. So we have 4x minus 7, or actually minus 12, is less than 0.01. And we want to solve that. There's two different ways we can do it. So let's go the green way first, I guess. The green way is not the official name of this. I have no idea what the official name is. So we can change this to 4 times x minus 3 is less than 0.01. So all we're doing here is factoring out of 4. And then we'll divide by 4 on both sides. So we'll end up with x minus 3 is less than 0.0025. So x is within 0.0025 of 3. So that's how close we need to make x. But let's say you're doing this problem and you didn't see to factor that out. It's something you didn't notice, so you need to go about it some other way. Well, what we can do is add the 12 to the right side, and a little bit here will technically be wrong mathematically, but it'll all work out in the end, and I don't think there are any special cases where this doesn't work. So 4x is less than 12.01. And then we divide by the 4 because we want x alone. So we'll have just regular x is less than 3.0025. But this x is within that number. We don't know how close it is. We don't know if it's above or below. So that means x must be within 0.0025 of 3. Because if it's within 3.0025, or if it's less than 3.0025 for the absolute value, it must be at least within 0.0025 of 3. And both of these methods are correct. I prefer the one on the left, and that's how I'm going to do most examples. Both methods are acceptable. Like I said, most examples I'm going to be doing the green method here on the left, but if you do have to do it in orange, that's perfectly fine too.